I love remodeling work. How more and more hacks can do stuff the way they do. Well, let's see if I can turn this around and show it to you. Oh, going up. I need to go up. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see here. I can get this in here. This header here I'm pretty sure that's the way headers are not supposed to be. And we're going to look at some of the plumbing here from the shower. Yep. Shower over here, P-trap, cross, no vent. Of course, it doesn't even have a pitch to it. Tied into the commode, and a condensate drain for a second floor furnace here. Oh, over here. Yeah, no venting pipe. Just a quote wet drain over here. Going across. It's going to pick up right in here a sink. And then draining back down this way too. And the pipe is supposed to continue on down to there. Just messed up. I suppose we got a qualified contractor doing this work. Again, a qualified contractor doing this work. Well, until next time. See y'all later.